power restored. The battery fixer.
This is a 21 volts battery used for drilling machine. Its condition is not good. I'll take it off now to check. Here's the battery core that it uses. This battery is Chinese battery without a brand. I guess it must be a battery failure. Now I'm going to measure the voltage. The overall volume is 18 volts. Three point 6, 3.8, 3.9, 3.7. The quality of battery cells is not uniform. Now I will replace it with a better quality battery cell. First, we will remove these old battery cells. To remove the battery cell, we need to remove the zinc solder layer. Very sure. This is a 5 South BMS for 3, 7V batteries. Okay, now we will remove the battery cells. To remove this zinc nickel layer, I use special pliers. Here, these batteries, they're rusted. Cell specifications. Capacity 1500 milliamperes 3, 7V. From 2020. Inside. The sound inside is empty. Very lightweight. I will replace all of them with new, better quality battery cells. This is my battery. "26 volts of EV. New model production 2025. Max discharge current 8C capacity 2600 mAh. Double the old battery cells. These are new unused batteries. The BMS is faulty, so I will take it apart to get the battery cells. Quality is still factory battery, no cycle use. Now I'm going to compare. The weight of these two batteries is what it looks like. How will it be different? So this battery is going to be heavier than these batteries. Next, I will proceed to clean the positive and negative terminals. After cleaning, to poles of battery, I'll go anode liner. To avoid contact with explosion. Its old battery is that they don't have anodes. The next thing is to install the BMS circuit into its old frame. Remember to set the correct tone. It's exactly how you unscrew it. Here I've already locked the balance wires. Here's the symbol for B+. Then we're going to have to put an anode in here. Now I'm going to weld. I'm going to weld the balance wire. So that's it. Finished. A 5 South to 1V5A battery pack. That's twice the capacity of its old battery. The light has signaled. I'll measure the output voltage and the input voltage. This is plus 18V. This is 18V. Then here's the voltage of the selfie. Very evenly distributed. This is pre-weighed. Liner, add a piece of insulation and dirt resistance. And that's it. I'll put it back in its old shell.